sky has turned blue again in Michigan and restored hope to all. The sky turns gray in Michigan for a good 6 months out of the year, and it's pretty depressing. So today, to celebrate the sun, we are going to head up north to a place called Boyne City. Okay, I did exactly what he told us not to do, which was take the paved road instead of the dirt road. But this looks like old boy's driveway here. I mean, it doesn't look like a road. So yeah, look at that. There's like a paved road right there. So of course you would think it's that one. Whatever. Okay, so this is Burl. You gotta like 4-wheel drive it or something. I think that's it. And I don't know.
Either PVC vinyl.
So everything.
Yeah,
like
yeah,
that.
so they're printed
Way
right
cheaper
on there.
than the metal axle.
So they'll actually hold up.
Yeah,
to the
I
weather.
would imagine.
See those?
Yeah, is that the
That's
ones that you're
nice.
making now?
Huh? You just glue them to the back? Or what?
Yeah, I included the sticks so people wanted to hot glue
Well, they
them or
stick
whatever.
in the
but-
perforated real nice. Like it's a nice tight fit. I mean, mine were when we did the little
Those
sticks,
are
they just
solids.
fit right. Oh, are they?
Yeah, solid
Those
PVC.
fuckers are.
Oh, I thought it was that perforated. That's
No,
stick
it's
goes
not
right in
corrugated.
there.
Yeah, you're thinking corrugated plastic.
Yeah.
Nope, they're-
Perforated, right? That's how I said perforated. It's one of them $50 words like that.
No, they're solid.
This is your fault.
You did. I remember you saying that.
So that's okay. We got the Volvo. Pull her out. See, and that would have been.
Man, not looking good for the Dodge. See, you don't have the super off-road tires like I got, see?
That's the problem.
Right? You'd have float right over that stuff.
Oh, no.
Here we go. Okay, look out. Get out of the way.
Yeah, get
Parts gonna be flying.
Oh, no.
He gonna slide over and hit Steve's truck. Or Doug's truck. He's just getting worse.
He's spinning in that Volvo. He's just creeping.
Pretty sure that Ram was pushing that Volvo a little bit. It was a stiff strap in the middle there.
Yeah, we just had to get that live.
It's a sad day for Dodge.
Volvo power.
Cut guys get through yet? Like, police, this is their name, and I think it's where they live at.